In this short tutorial, I will show how to buy shares of Fox Corp, ticker FOXA. Fox Corp is a media and broadcasting company operating television networks, local stations, and streaming services, and it trades on NASDAQ under the symbol FOXA. This is educational content only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account, typically by uploading an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker FOXA to find Fox Corp. Select the correct listing that shows FOXA on NASDAQ to ensure you are on the right asset page. On the asset page, check the company overview and the price chart to confirm this is Fox Corp. Verify the NASDAQ exchange and the FOXA ticker before you move forward. Choose trade or buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at market open. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add them before the purchase is confirmed. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. A soft link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown in this video.